Hi guys, Snigdha here from Just for Fun, and I'm out here looking for a shop for dog food so that we could try and feed our dogs. They have a lot of stuff here, you can see. It's all dog food here, which we have come to, called KHUSHI, the complete pet shoppe for dogs and cats. And they have a variety here of kings and mixed little pups, as you can see. Chicken grilled, chicken sliver, roasted duck. Wow, we have roasted duck, so we're just having a look. Everything to do with dog food and dog shampoos. See, we have house training aid for puppies. Puppy cereal. So we're going to look around and we're going to see what we can get for our doggies. Yeah. So see you all soon. See you all in the next video. Ciao. Bye. Take care. Bye.